Success in the wheel business requires one to have a reliable partner who can be trusted through the seasons. And that's why Road Ready Wheels is excited to be your next partner. Established in 2015, Road Ready Wheels leveraged its strong global relationships and centralized distribution hubs to provide customers with the most popular wheel needs, and is now the fastest growing supplier of OEM replacement wheels in the US. Strategically located in the Midwest, our Chicago-based warehouse provides an average transit time of 1.8 days, ensuring that you get your wheels on time and maintain a consistent supply of first-rate wheels for brand, reliability, and trust. Our inventory line focuses on trucks, vans, SUVs, and heavy-duty wheels, boasting over 50,000 wheels, 650 different stock-keeping units, SKUs, and direct fitment on over 100,000 different years, makes, and models. All our products are DOTT approved and require either SAE, TUV, VIA, or JWL certifications, because we value quality and go out of our way to ensure we achieve it and maintain it. With our lean distribution structure, we are able to cut the cost of a dealership wheel by 50 to 75%. This specialized price structure will save both you and your clients money, while also giving your store the ability to increase margins on our product. We guarantee fitment on all OEM center caps, TPMS sensors, lug nuts, and wheel covers. Our exceptional team is always available to serve you. And we prioritize your needs to ensure you get what you need when you need it. Road Ready Wheels is the partner you've been searching for. Join us today.